If you're seeing a Telegram login error message or your code just isn't coming through, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. We're going to cover what to do when no SMS code is sent, how to use the QR code login method, what to check if Telegram gets stuck on connecting, and how to handle the too many attempts error. These fixes work for phone, desktop, and web login issues, and they can save you a lot of time if you're locked out right now. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, if you're not getting an SMS code, the most important thing to know is that Telegram often does not send a login code by text message. Instead, Telegram usually sends the code inside your active Telegram session on another device. So open Telegram on your phone or check the Telegram desktop app or web app if you're still signed in somewhere else. Look inside the chat from Telegram itself because that's where the login code is often delivered. A lot of people miss this and keep waiting for a text that never arrives. If you're trying to log in on a computer, the easiest method is usually the QR code option. On your PC screen, choose the QR login method instead of typing your phone number. Then, open Telegram on your phone, go to Settings, tap Devices, and select Link Desktop Device. Your camera will open and you can scan the QR code on your computer screen. This method is usually faster, safer, and avoids the whole code delivery issue altogether. If the QR code expires, simply refresh it and try again. Now, if Telegram is stuck on connecting, the problem is usually on the network side, not your account. Start by checking your Wi-Fi or internet connection on the computer. Make sure your browser or desktop app actually has access to the internet and isn't being blocked by a weak signal. If you use a VPN, turn it off temporarily and try again because Telegram can sometimes fail to connect properly when a VPN is interfering. Also check your firewall or antivirus settings. Some security tools block the Telegram app from reaching its servers, which can cause the login screen to spin forever. If needed, allow Telegram through your firewall or test again with the firewall temporarily disabled. Another issue you may see is too many attempts. If you've tried logging in over and over in a short period, Telegram may temporarily block new login attempts. This is a spam protection feature and the fix is simple but frustrating. You need to wait. In most cases, give it about 24 hours before trying again. During that time, stop repeating the login requests because more attempts can make the lockout last longer. Once the waiting period passes, try again using the QR code or the active session code method. Here's a quick recap. If no SMS code is sent, check your active Telegram chats for the login code. If you're on desktop, use the QR code login and scan it from Settings, Devices, Link Desktop Device. If Telegram is stuck connecting, check your internet, disable VPNs, and review firewall blocks. And if you hit too many attempts, wait 24 hours before retrying so the temporary restriction can clear. These are the most reliable fixes for Telegram login problems, and in many cases, one of these steps will get you back into your account right away. If this video solved your issue, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.